Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Blue Protocol Star Resonance app not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Android devices. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart or reboot your phone. So just restart your device, and after your device restart, then launch the Blue Protocol Star Resonance app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Blue Protocol Star Resonance app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Blue Protocol Star Resonance and tap on it. And if you find any update available for this app, then update it and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Blue Protocol Star Resonance app is working or not. Fourth solution is to force stop Blue Protocol Star Resonance app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and then again click on force stop to confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to clear the Blue Protocol Star Resonance app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon and then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data. Now while clearing the app data, please take a note that clearing the app data will delete the app data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So please perform this action very carefully and then click on delete to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage and then click on allow background activity option and then click on allow to confirm and go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and tap on it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store such as Surfshark VPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, Turbo VPN, NordVPN. You can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app, connect to a different location than your current location and then launch Blue Protocol Star Resonance app and check. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then reinstall Blue Protocol Star Resonance app. So tap and hold Blue Protocol Star Resonance app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm and then just restart your device. And after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Blue Protocol Star Resonance app and tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it. And after the Blue Protocol Star Resonance app get downloaded, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve Blue Protocol Star Resonance app not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Android phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.